Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we have this look going on for you. It's like a really smoky, grungy, avant-garde type of look going on, and I really like it. It's giving me Goddess of the Midnight Forest, because it's dark and grungy, so that's the night part, and then the forest is all the green going on, and glow in the lights, lips going on for nature, representing the nature in the forest, if that makes sense to you guys. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and I'll see you soon. Okay, now that I have the concealer blended around my temples and liver and my nose bridge, I'm going to take my NYX jumbo pencil in milk and then just prime my whole eyelid all the way to my brow bone and really pull it outwards towards my temple and hairline, because I want this to be really dramatic and well out of this world. Now that I have that on, I'm going to start blending from the outer corners and work my way in. Okay, so today I think we're going to go for a really nice, grungy, dark, green eyes. That's the plan. So I'm not sure if I should start with the red, with the green. Why am I seeing red so much? I'm not sure if I should start with the green or yellow. I'll put the green down first and then I'll go in with my yellow. So for my first shade, I'm going to be using my Hank & Henry Madame Benjamin one, and the shade I'm going to go in with is aka Money Lady, so the green one right there, and I'll just pack that on my outer corner and in my crease in a wing shape. Fluffy brush and my Sugar Pale eyeshadow in Buttercup, just a bright yellow eyeshadow, and I'll pop that just next to my brow bone. This is gonna be very messy. Take my Morphe 35B palette and I'll look for a light green shade in there. Hopefully we have one. Yes, we do. So I'm gonna be using, okay, I'm gonna use that one. Where is it? I'm gonna use this shade to blend out aka Lady Money, just to go in between the green and the yellow. Yep, right there. Take my yellow to blend out the green from the Morphe 35B palette to get the hash line away from those two. So basically I'm using the Buttercup, Sugar Pale, the green from the Morphe palette, and aka Lady Money from Hank & Henry Alter Ego. My green even furthermore, I'm going to be using my shade Panther. It's a really dark green eyeshadow, but it comes as black. It looks black on camera, but it's a really dark green eyeshadow from my Zuri Cosmetics palette. Starting from the outer corner, pressing it in first before we blend it out. Just going to pack it on, keeping the shade very low, and then we're going to blend it upwards later. Shade out, I'm gonna go in with aka Lady Money to diffuse out the edges of that shade. Morphe 35B, and then Sugar Peel Buttercup Yellow. So whenever you add a new shade, you have to go in all with your previous colors. I'll go in with my previous colors to help with the blending. So it'll be nice and gradient and beautiful. Now for my last color at the moment, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow. I'm just using a little pencil brush just to pack that on to give it that final depth of mysteriousness. I'll go in with my pencil brush to blend that out, just the edges on the actual black. I'm going to leave this crazy down here right now for now, and I am going to cut my crease halfway with my NYX my NYX eyeshadow base in white. I am going to be using Being Blessed, also in my Lady Benjamin Auto Ego Kit, but the shimmery shade. So that one right there. Just going to take a flat brush and really just pack that on my inner half of the eye. I feel like I look a little bit dry though. Drag queen. I don't know if I want to use this as a base alone, use it alone as it is, or the glitter, because it is really beautifully finely milled, but then it's a little bit darker than my lid color, so I don't know if I want to go in with it. So just think about that while I just put that on. So I'll take my glitter, which is finally Madame Benjamin. I'll just pack it on the lid lightly, and then see if I want to add more. If I wanted to really show, I would add the glitter glue. No, I don't. Okay, so I want to just lightly dust it on. Then adds a little flair to it. What I will do next is I will clean up my outer corners just a little bit, not too much, because I'm going to be blowing out quite a lot on my lower lashes. It's not actually looking as daring as I want it to be. Okay, I'm going to do my foundation very quickly, which is just going to be how I do my foundation any other day. Except today I'm going to do cream contour, which I haven't done in such a long time. So that should be fun or miserable. One or the other, we'll find out very shortly. I'll use the NYX eyeshadow base just to prep my under eye for my application. So I'm going to start with the Sugar Peel eyeshadow in Buttercup, and then go in with the Morphe 35B green eyeshadow, the light one, and then I'll go in with aka Lady Money from Hank & Henry, Panther from Zurich Cosmetics, and black. Everything in the crease goes under the eye. Before I go in with the greens, I'm going to use my powder and just put it on my eyes just so you can catch the fallouts, because I am definitely sure that I'm getting some. Alright, I'm gonna go with my neon pigment by Stargazer in the shade 202. It's a yellow, but like a lime. Yeah, 202, like a lime yellow color, mixed with my Inglot Draw line, and I'm gonna put a half line in my crease. Pray for me, guys, pray for me. Alright, so I'm gonna put the jumbo pencil in my cheddar very, very messily. And like a boop, boop. Now take my pigment again, that same pigment that I use as a liner, and just pop that in my cheddar. So we're back to the face again, and now we're just gonna highlight. Really good. I feel like that's gonna really work with it, because it's really winged out, blown out, so it does work with the flow. And this is the Tata Lashes in TL30. So I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo. Why do I say NYX Jumbo? NYX eyeshadow base in white, in milk white. White, not milk white. Just put that lightly on my spoolie, and then I'll brush that over my eyebrows, just to give it a little something something. I'm just brushing that on it so that I get a little whiff of whiteness going on. So for my lips, I am gonna use my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk, just to line it and fill it in, because I'm gonna go in with colors that I don't have as lipsticks. For my lips also, I'm gonna do what I did in my crease. So like the eyeshadows up on my crease, except without the yellow, and I'll start from, let's say, light to dark. So I'm gonna start with my Morphe green eyeshadow first, and then aka Lady Money, which is the Hanker Henry one, and then Panther from Zuri Cosmetics, and Black from Morphe Cosmetics. Morphe, it's not Morphe Cosmetics, Morphe brushes. So to finish up the look, I'm going to be using my mixture, which is the neon eyeshadow, loose eyeshadow, and my Inglot Draw line, and just put it on my lips, going from like left to right. Kind of like, what is it called? Fireflies, you know, like glow in the dark fireflies. That's the effect we're going to go for. So I'm just going to take that little brush and then just start dotting that on. Okay guys, so this is it for the finished look. I kind of messed up on my cheddar when I tried to do it again, but you know, we tried. Anyways, if you did like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think as well. And if you would like to see more looks like this, you know, more of my creative, not so everyday wear kind of looks on here, and if you do, yeah, if you want to see more of those ones, yeah, just tell me down below in the comment, or like the video, then I would know, and I'll start doing more of that. So if you enjoyed it, oh, what do you mean, so if you enjoyed this video again, oh my god. So what am I saying now? I forgot. So if you want to see more of these creative let's go with the flow looks, let me know, and I will be doing more of that for you guys. Alright, stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video.